Wednesday here sa Dalang Clubs Leisure Park na Cavite. Make your final choices now. Last call to place your bets. Only one entry. Make no mistake. All set now, ready to race. Race number 8. And the race is on. Erica's Champ from the outside. Hokey Hawk to grab the lead. It's now Hokey Hawk followed by Kayakino. Erica's Champ. Military Might Danori inside. Royal Milestone. Young Luke. Hokey Hawk, the favorite by Hapaland, followed by Erica's Champ on the outside. Erica's Champ, Hokey Hawk, Young Luke on the outside. And moving up by the rail is Kayakino. Erica's Champ, Hokey Hawk in between runners. And by the rail is Kayakino, Young Luke, Military Might. And rounding the far turn, Hokey Hawk in between runners. Kayakino Danori inside, Young Luke, Erica's Champ. As they race the last 500, Hokey Hawk by a neck, and by the rally Kayakino. Kayakino grabs the lead from Hokey Hawk, Young Luke, and Erica's Champ as they race the final corner. Kayakino, this time by about 4 lengths, followed by Hokey Hawk in second, Young Luke, Erica's Champ, and Golden Top moving up, Lord of the Sand, and nearing the finish line, Kayakino by about 3, and finally, Ai Tanshoko, Kayakino second, Lord of the Sun, Golden Top, Hokey Hawk, Military Might, Young Luke.